come with me to have my hair colored by another hairstylist for the first time in 2 years. You guys, hello, welcome back to my channel. How are you doing? How are ya? I just got out of a nail appointment and I had wanted to start this video before my nail appointment saying hello, explaining what this video is gonna be, but literally I was late, like 5 minutes late to my nail appointment because it is like the craziest rain in California that I've ever experienced. Driving to my nail appointment was honestly so terrifying. I was driving so slow because otherwise it was like you were skidding. Oh my gosh, it was a whole thing. But this video is really fun and I'm excited because it's going to be spread over a few days. It is going to be a glowing up with me. It is January, it is a new year, but more importantly, it is my birthday on January 25th. And January birthdays have always been a little rough for me because it's always so cold, it's kind of gray, it could be raining, and I'm such a sunshine girl. But this year we are actually going to Nashville for my birthday. I will be vlogging like different things we're doing across my birthday, but we have a trip coming up and it's gonna be really, really fun. And of course, you know, to bring that birthday cheer to myself, I gotta get ready for it and do all of the girly things. So we started with today doing our nails. I'll insert a clip now of what my nails look like before I went to this appointment. My nails literally were on for 5 weeks. The girl I go to is incredible. They last so long, but they were so grown out. It was my Christmas nails. So then I just got out and I cannot wait to show you. These are my natural nails. They're gel and I don't know if you can see, they're like this glittery nudie color, and we just reshaped my nails, kept some length, and this is exactly what I wanted. So I'm super obsessed. So part one of glowing up is done. Check the list. A few other things that we're going to be doing over the next like week or so is I will need to color my hair. I need to actually track down my hair color because it's sold out because of me, you know, making everybody go turn their hair red. No, I'm just kidding. It's definitely not because of me, but the hair color is sold out. I want in the local stores near me, so I need to track my hair color down. We're gonna dye my hair, dye my eyebrows. I think I'm going to fake tan with you guys. I need to get a pedicure at some point. I may get that in Florida because I'm actually going to Florida before Nashville, accompanying my husband on a work trip. Anyways, we need to, you know, get some of our clothes ready, some outfits ready for the trip. Anyways, we just need to do all the things to feel extra fresh, extra spicy for the birthday festivities. So keep watching. But nails are done. So first glow up process tick. All right, we are on to the next part of our glow up, which of course is dyeing my hair, getting my hair nice and fresh. I leave in a few days and I'm basically gone for the rest of January, and we're on this birthday glow up. January glow up, birthday glow up, the whole thing. As you guys know, I always color my hair myself. I always do it. And I was having a hard time finding my hair color. I ended up finding, I think it's 777 and 57, and I was just gonna mix those together to create a variation of the 677, which is a shade I've been using a lot in my hair recently. Anyways, that's all well and good until my hairstylist who I get my hair cut with, she's actually a redhead too. She was the one years ago who told me about some different Schwarzkopf colors that she uses and really inspired some of my hair transformation. She last minute had an opening tomorrow for a color appointment and I snagged that because this is why. I had thought a couple months ago for my birthday, for my glow up, I'm going to pay and go get my hair done with her. I love her, I trust her with my hair life. As a birthday treat to be the client for the first time in literal years to get my hair colored by someone that's not myself. Again, it will be the same thing I always do, but you know, just for fun. And when I looked at her, because I didn't schedule far enough, when I looked at her book, she was booked. And I was like, you know what, it's okay, maybe it's a sign. Not supposed to do it this time, but I'm gonna do it soon. Anyway, she last minute a few days ago said she had an opening and I grabbed it because this is what I really want to do for my birthday, was to get my hair colored by her, just get to be a client. We'll do a similar color that I always do, but just have the nice experience for my birthday. So that's what we're doing. So I'm gonna bring you guys along. So let's go get her hair colored and glow up. I'm about to leave for my hair appointment. I put some makeup on, as I always do. If you're gonna glow up, you gotta feel good. And I always bring a little extra makeup in my bag with me in case I need to touch it up, which I definitely will since they're coloring my roots. But I'm just wearing this little plain white tee. These like thrifted Adidas sports pants. They're absolutely massive. These like Yeezy shoes that I think are fake. They're like green colored though. Cute. I'm then gonna throw on this oversized men's blazer. I think I am anyways, because I feel like that's kind of a cool vibe. And then I'm gonna bring my vintage Louis Vuitton that I got in Copenhagen. Okay, here's the bag for it on my shoulder. And then these little sunglasses are actually from Amazon. I have them linked in my clothing and accessories. But aren't they so cute? They got like a little gold piece on the side. And that is my look to go get my hair done. Birthday treat, I'm literally so excited. I'm like, I can't even remember the last time I did this. It will have been years, 2 years. So I'm really excited, but I'm gonna get Starbucks, so I need to rush and leave because I wanna make sure I have enough time. Let's go. I'm here, got my Starbucks, got a little snack. Let's go get our hair done.
All right.
You don't even know how excited I am.
Oh my God, I'm excited.
Treat yourself. Also, I was like, it doesn't even look bad. That's always how it is, like when the first time ever. But
of course.
I would have done it this week if I was doing it myself anyways, because I don't have time.
What do you want to do?
Well, I've kind of been on the darker side.
I was gonna say, yeah.
And I like that. It's not super faded right now because of stuff I've been doing at home. No, you're fine. But these are like all of the kind of shades I've been trying to. That's pretty. Like, obviously that is darker than what I have right now.
Yeah.
But I've been trying to do some mix of those three when I've done it. Which I think I have been getting, but I feel like I'm more vibrant and less like true auburny brown depth. Does that make sense? I don't know what the terminology means. Like this is still pretty vibrant, but I almost feel like it's missing some like brown in it. Do you know what I mean? I don't know. I'm happy to be dark though.
You're good to be a little bit of a more auburn.
And it fades, so
I was just gonna say, and no matter what, you'll
I don't mind.
You know.
Like I've been doing sixes, I think even like, so whatever I don't know what you would think. I know, I'm really curious if you can see major spots I've missed over the years throughout my strands, because I don't know, I mean.
Because you're like.
I had Will do it for me a few times, and now it's just annoying.
Will can help you.
He would
be like,
roll his eyes.
What is this? I'm just kidding.
Like, what is this spot from 2 years ago?
Stop.
Okay,
all right, let me go formulate. Okay. Can we get you anything?
No, I'm good. I've got everything.
I'll be right back.
Y'all, I am back in the car with some fresh looking hair. The sun is like playing me right now and I'm trying to show you guys, so I'm gonna go home and then I'll do the final reveal, but it's literally so beautiful. Hey, I'm back home, so I wanted to show you my hair. It's just like a rich dark auburn. She literally nailed it. It looks exactly like the photos, nice and bouncy. Jessica at the Nest is literally the best, and more of my glow up has now been completed with this beautiful hair color. Step 2 has been finished. Birthday hair is done. I'm literally obsessed. We are continuing obviously our glow up. We actually leave tomorrow morning for Florida/Nashville. My birthday is in 2 days, almost 25, and we're getting ready, we're packing. It's been a little chaotic today. I'll give you a little inside. We're pretty organized, and Will is just beginning his packing, of course. But I wanted to show you something else I've done as part of my glow up routine. I think I'm gonna get a pedicure, by the way, in Florida, so I'll bring you along with that. But I took a shower this evening. It was like the shower, of course, shaving, exfoliating, and washing my hair for the first time in 5 days. But I've been using the Jergens Glow Natural Glow. Gradually creates a natural looking color. Basically, it's like a daily moisturizer, and it builds a tan over time slowly. And I've been actually opting for this over fake tan. So I applied a full layer of this. I couldn't really show you doing it because I do it you know, right after the shower, but I wanted to show you. This is on my Amazon. It's great. Definitely try it out if you haven't, and also hydrates your skin, so we love that. I think I'm gonna give you guys like a little haul of some stuff that I purchased just to make my experience while traveling nice and make me feel fresh and fun. Again, it's like a little birthday trip, but I wanted to show you what I'm wearing actually to the airport tomorrow, because this is part of my glow up. I'm gonna feel put together at the airport, because half the time when I'm flying, I look very rough. But tomorrow we actually have a little coordinating outfit. They are these like dark green, if you can see, sweatpants. I know there's like a weird light, it is nighttime right now, but they are these like dark green cinch waist sweatpants. They come in different colors, and then at the bottom they cinch as well. They're so comfy, and then it comes with a little matching like crop cinched like long sleeve sweatshirt thing. It isn't like too thick to where I'm gonna be like having a heat stroke, but it's like this like dark green color, and it's just like so pretty. So I'm really excited to continuing my glow up while wearing that really cute outfit. But I'll keep you guys up to date with all other things I'll be doing to finish this birthday glow up January vibe. You guys, hello. We are in Florida, and it's actually my birthday today. Today is my golden birthday, 25 on the 25th of January. I'm currently in our hotel room, and I wanted to show you. Made in 1998. Isn't that so cute? So we're in Florida actually because my husband has a work trip. So we spent this morning together. We had breakfast, mimosas, went to the beach. It was great, but he's working right now, which was always the plan. So part of this day is me continuing my glow up. And I didn't end up getting a pedicure this past weekend, so I'm going to get like a deluxe spa pedicure. It's like the whole 9 yards. Paraffin wax, hot towels, massage. I don't even freaking know, because I never get pedicures, and I'm really excited. So I'm actually gonna walk there in a few minutes. It's only like a 3-minute walk away from where we're staying. And yeah, I've been tanning by the pool, part of my glow up, tanned at the beach a little bit this morning. This is my current view, just downtown Fort Lauderdale, Florida, which is where we are. So we're gonna get dressed quickly and head on out. By the way, this like adorable waffle pink robe that I'm wearing is from Amazon, and I've linked it, just FYI, on my storefront, because it's literally so cute. And yes, I traveled with a robe, but it's nice because it's like more of like a summery material and not like overly thick. This place didn't have a robe because it's just like, you know, like a normal hotel. So glad I brought this robe so we can glow in it. But I think for my nails, I'm just gonna do hot pink. I'm in a pink mood. I'm getting gel. So let's get dressed, and then we should head on out. Okay, you guys, here's a simple OOTD that I just threw on. Got my Amazon sunglasses. This little tube top that I got from like a thrift store. You can find these shirts everywhere. These shorts are actually boy boxers, and I basically just wear them as shorts. If you can see, they're like button in the front. And then I just got some skim socks on, H&M loafers. And then this little like cropped blazer, it actually like ties around you, which is super cute, but I'm just wearing it open right now, and it is from Amazon, and I'll have it linked as well. I'm gonna grab my JW Pay bag and my Stanley, and we're good to go. So this hair clip comes in like a pack of like 5 or 6 clips. It's so cute. It's $10, and they're on my Amazon, and it comes with like all these different cream colored claw clips, and I'm obsessed. And then these earrings I literally got from a charity shop, and this was Will's birthday present to me. Isn't it just so beautiful? I feel like a bougie little lady right now. It's so relaxing. I ordered food at a cafe half day down the street, realizing I left my Stanley at the nail salon. cannot leave the Stanley nowhere. Showing my feet online for free, what? But these are the nails. I did like a Barbie baby pink. I don't have the cutest feet, but it felt amazing. I just got back and I'm gonna eat. We gotta be glowing from the inside out, so a green juice and salad made sense. Let's see how the salad looks. It was a kale Caesar salad. Healthy queens on our birthday. Look at her, the big things of Parmesan. Please, yummy. All right, take a bite. All right, you guys, I am all ready for my birthday. We are going to be going out to a little place called Coconuts here in Florida. It's like a bar restaurant known for its seafood and drinks. We've been having some Prosecco. Will is back there because he finished his work. Let me show you. He had some Freshne and it was very good. I'm wearing my birthday queen headband and I'll show you my little outfit really fast. This dress is brown with like little black lace on it and it's like a little silk dress and it's so cute and it's literally from Amazon and I've linked it. I'll show you the back as well. So cute. And then these are some sparkly cowboy boots that are actually also from Amazon, but I'm wearing these because we're going to Nashville in a few days, so I have all the cowboy boots with me. So that is my official birthday glow up. I hope you guys enjoyed getting ready with me for my birthday, doing all the steps, spending some time with me. I loved making this style of video for you guys and I'm so thankful for you. And here's to 25 years of me, the golden birthday 25 on the 25th of January. I love y'all and I'll see ya in my next video. Bye.